Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Falmouth and we are giving you a tour of the Falmouth cruise ship pier. Now I want to ask you guys a question. This is the number one cruise ship pier in Jamaica and one of the top cruise ship piers in the Caribbean and the world. Why doesn't Jamaica have more cruise ship piers like this? We have three other ports that cruise ships call on: Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, Port Royal, and actually there's another one in Port Antonio. But none are at the level that this pier is. None even come close. So I'm wondering, why doesn't the Jamaican government or other entities in Jamaica invest in upgrading these cruise ship piers, these other cruise ship piers? Even if it's a public-private partnership, like a concession agreement where a company builds the pier or upgrades an existing pier, and then they get a concession to operate it for X amount of time. But I find it really strange that none of the other piers are close to the level that this one is. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this cruise ship pier. And the largest cruise ships in the world are operated by Royal Caribbean. And all of them call on the Falmouth pier. They don't go to any other pier in Jamaica, they come to Falmouth. And there's another ship we'll talk about that in another video. Jamaica's Falmouth port has established itself as a premier cruise destination in the Caribbean, designed to accommodate even the world's largest cruise ships. Among these, Wonder of the Seas, a Royal Caribbean vessel measuring over 1,188 feet in length and capable of carrying nearly 7,000 passengers, stands out as the largest ship to ever dock at Falmouth. Its arrival in December 2022 marked a milestone for Jamaica's tourism industry, demonstrating the country's capacity to hold megaliners and manage the associated influx of visitors. Falmouth Port was intentionally developed with deep water berths, wide docking areas, and modern infrastructure, allowing these massive vessels to moor directly to the pier. Unlike smaller ports, where passengers must be ferried ashore, Falmouth enables seamless disembarkation, enhancing the visitor experience and increasing spending in the local economy. This strategic design attracts cruise lines with larger ships, offering Jamaica a competitive advantage in the Caribbean cruise market. The economic impact of such arrivals is substantial. A single megaship like Wonder of the Seas brings thousands of tourists, generating revenue for local businesses, tour operators, restaurants, and transport services. Additionally, port operations, maintenance, and provisioning create employment opportunities and stimulate regional growth. For Montego Bay and surrounding areas, these visits reinforce Jamaica's reputation as a high-value destination capable of supporting world-class tourism infrastructure. In conclusion, the docking of the Wonder of the Seas at Falmouth exemplifies Jamaica's ability to host the largest cruise ships in the world. It enhances the country's tourism profile, drives economic activity, and underscores the importance of continued investment in infrastructure and sustainable practices to support megaship tourism for years to come. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.